Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time seeing my pretty face, hey love, you're welcome. Mara here, and if you're returning, you guys already know you have my heart. And you guys, my returning subscribers, are actually the major reason why I'm doing this video, or why I'm deciding to show you guys my room. I know that it's been a long time coming. Even when I was shopping for some stuff for my room, I remember I vlogged some, okay, and today is finally the day. I just haven't got the time to film this video. So the things I'm going to be showing you guys in this room, I didn't just get them in a day, okay? Like I said, it's been months. It's been a long time coming. So I'll pick some today, pick some the next month. It's just been like that. And this room has been well furnished, or has been like this for months too, so I just haven't had the time to film the video. In case you're seeing my face for the very first time as well, I'm a Nigerian who is currently living and schooling in Canada. I love to make lifestyle content, okay, and immigration tips just for students and people that want to move to Canada to do their thing. We're going to get into the tour, and I'll try and show you guys everything that is in this room and where I got them, and also maybe have a link to them in the description box below. Before we get into the tour, when I moved into this apartment, okay, I just knew that I wanted to have a cozy, contemporary, modern, minimalist look in my room, okay. I'm someone who likes interior designs, okay. You guys, you follow me on Instagram or you've watched a couple of my vlogs. I used to be an interior designer back home, okay. So but when I moved here and got into this apartment, I was lost for a while because it was so confusing. I didn't know what to do with the space, honestly, because of the structure, the shape of the space. So I was just stuck. That was even why I took so long. So I decided to just take my time because I didn't want to make a mistake, and I still wanted to arrive at the result that I want. I'm one person that whenever I come into my space, I want it to feel cozy, I want it to feel good, I want it to feel pretty. Okay, so I was like, nah, I had to take my time to pick out the things that I want for this room. So finally, I would say I achieved what I wanted, or what I was going for, aiming for this room, okay. And I'm really so excited about it, and I can't wait for you guys to see everything and how this room is arranged. But I really love the way this room turned out because like it's so my style. And what I was going for black, white, gray, and beige, okay. These were the colors that I was aiming for, and also a touch of gold. In the course of coming up with how I wanted this room to look, I think what frustrated me the most was the space, okay. I had bought a bed frame that didn't fit. Like this room kind of stressed me out a bit, and being that as a student here, I was also really busy with work and my school. Like just even to think about the things that I needed to put in my room was like another work on its own. And at this point, like I was really happy that I found this brand, Lighthouse Interior Designs, okay. So when I found Lighthouse, I just knew that I was gonna use them. Lighthouse is an interior design company. They are based in Nigeria, but they have a section called Lighthouse Interior Design Express. What that part of the company does is like for people like us that live in diaspora or live in states that are not, where they are based. They are based in Lagos. So maybe you live in Port Harcourt, Abuja, or in Canada, UK, but you want to design your room, but you're not quite sure what you want. You're not quite sure what you want to go for, but you need someone to do the designs for you and guide you through the process. Lighthouse Express, like please take your coins, because you guys saved me a lot of stress. So I started this consultation with them where I told them, okay, this is what I'm going through. They asked me, okay, what do I want? I explained to them everything that I wanted, the colors that I wanted in the room. And that is the amazing thing about them. Like you share what you want, you tell them, okay, this is what you want, and they are able to listen to you and just create a design for you, following what you already want and what you have. So at that point, before I contacted Lighthouse, I had already bought my dresser, I had already bought my bed frame, and I told them, okay, this is what I have, this is what I have. And I already had this side table. I think I had also bought the curtains, okay, for this room. Yes, I had bought the curtains. So I just told them, sent a picture of, okay, these are the things that I have and these are the colors that I want in my room. And I also described like, okay, I want a cozy space, contemporary space, modern, minimalist. You guys know me already, you know that I'm a very minimal person. Like less does it for me. I don't like more, okay, but for money I want more, but for like designs and how I look, like less does it for me, okay. So I just told them these are the things that I already have and these are the things that I want. They said say no more. They sent me just a very simple survey, and I filled out everything that I wanted. I filled out my name, filled out everything, and they started the consultation with me via emails and WhatsApp. Okay, and we would chat the whole back and forth, and they were there like all the time to like, do you know how many times I had to change things? I'm like, oh, I don't want this, I don't like this. And this guys never complained, and it's not even like they were not even so expensive. So the reason why I'm plugging you guys to these people is like, if you live in the diaspora but you love your space like me, like you want your space to be top notch, you want your space to feel like a temple, that place that you enter and you feel happy and you feel good, like if anything is going wrong in the world, like I do not want to come into my space and do not like feel at home. And I don't like cluster, like I like the very like simple clear white crystal. Okay, if this is what you're aiming for, you just want to come home and feel good, honestly, you can work with this brand. Especially when you're confused, you don't know what to go for, you don't know what to pick. I tell you, they are your saving grace. They saved me, helped me in picking so many things. Even when I went to shop for certain things, I would send a picture and they'll be like, okay, we could do something better, but if you can't find what we had sent you a picture for, you can go for that. Just like this frame. Okay, this was not the frame that Lighthouse had in my design, but this is what I found. Even the flowers, a couple of things are a bit different from what they had in the design, but just me having that visual representation of what I was going for already made sense. So I had the pictures, they did the 3D rendering design, the video, the pictures for me. So all I needed to do was go to the stores. So when I was going to the stores, I had the pictures with me and I knew exactly what I was looking for. Okay, and for the setting of this room, I initially put my bed this way. Can you guys see me? I initially put my bed this way. That was what I wanted. I wanted this to be a focal point, so when you enter my room you see the artwork, but that didn't work out because I didn't have much space after I did that. It was Lighthouse that came up with this design, with this positioning, and I'm like, whoa. So you guys, they did not even pay me to do this. I'm not even capping. They did not give me a dime or anything to do this, but I know that when I see something good that is going to be beneficial to anyone, trust me, I'm going to plug you guys to that. So make sure, I'm going to have their Instagram on the screen and also in the description box. They have 2 accounts, I believe. The one for their what's that now, proper interior design work, and the one for their express designs, like for the kind of services they render to me. That's the Lighthouse Express. So shoot them a DM and tell them that, oh, you need their services. In fact, maybe you might mention my name. I'll talk to the CEO and be like, mom, talked about your services on my YouTube channel. Maybe you can give discount to my people. So you can mention my name, Mara, to her. I'll see a way to talk to her. This is the door, and when you walk into the room, this is what the view looks like. Ignore the shadow coming from that window. Okay, this is what the view looks like. So directly behind the door, I have this section here, which is like one of my favorite spots in this room. Okay, I have this frame that I got from HomeSense that says, I think you should go for it. Okay, and here I have some of my favorite books that I haven't even read half of them. Then I have my what are these now, my candles and some of my perfumes here. I have some of my handbags, my shoes, and my sneakers here. Okay guys, I love this space and it's literally like one of my favorite spots. This section, guys, we have this, my dressing table, which is from IKEA, but I got it off Facebook Marketplace. Okay, if I see the original bed or the original desk, I'm gonna put in the description box, okay, from IKEA, but I had gotten it off someone that says that, oh, it was too small for her space. She had only used it for a few months, she needed it out. So that is where it is from. And here I have this, honestly, I have some of my jewelry here, and I have this storage that I got from Ozana dollar store, Dollarama. Got it for about $4. So I put I have my cotton pads, my cotton wools here. This has a drawer here where I have some of my skincare products. Okay, oh yep, and this rug, I love this rug so much. I think like it makes me want to be here all the time. This rug is from Crazy Bean. Okay, I got it from Crazy Bean. If you watch my vlog, you already know I talk about Crazy Bean a lot, and I love it. Like, it just makes the whole section worth it. Like, it just like complements it and just makes it make sense. Okay, so we have like a wide mirror, a wide oh my god, we have like a wide window here. All right, so this is the window and it's really wide. So I have a white curtain and a, what's that now, this gray ash curtain. Okay, I'll actually close it and just drag this one if I want to have it like all black out. So let's go to this section, which is also like one of my favorite sections. So I have this mirror here. This mirror, I bought it from ℙ𝕤𝕤𝕤. I bought this mirror for $99, like let's say $100. Okay, so let's get to this section. Here I have this artworks here. Okay, I initially had a frame here, but I took it out. Okay, I took it out and it's absolutely beautiful. I feel like it kind of creates, the painting with the ash kind of creates a good contrast with the cotton material, and also the black creates a good contrast with this flower vase, kind of creates a good contrast with that. I got that flower too from ℙ𝕤𝕤𝕤, and for these frames I got them from, or rather these artworks, I got them from a thrift store. Which one? Value Village. Okay, I got them from Value Village. No, not Value Village, Salvation Army, actually, because I had finished shopping there and I just saw them and I felt like they would fit into my space and I got them. So let's get to the bed section. So let's start with the nightstand. I got this nightstand from Facebook Marketplace. Actually, I had bought it with a previous bed frame that I had, but the bed frame was just too big for this space, so I sold it, but I retained the nightstand because I love it. Okay, and I got this a lamp, side table lamp off Amazon. I'm going to link it in the description box for you guys. I also got this pampas grass. I got it from Crazy Bean. Okay, but I got the vase from Value Village. Yeah, and I got this clock, this alarm clock. I also got it off Amazon. Then let's get to the bed. Okay, so I got my mattress, or rather, yeah, I got my mattress off Facebook Marketplace. It was new, the people hadn't used it. It was like a new couple and they had it in their guest room, so they were moving out to Toronto, I guess, so they had to sell it off. Sold it for me for a very good deal. So what else is on this bed? So I got my bed sheet. This particular one, I have quite a couple, but these particular ones are super nice and soft. I got them from Amazon, of course. Okay, and I got this particular throw, this very fluffy nice throw. I got them from Crazy Bean. And for my pillows, those pillows, the pillows themselves are from Value Village, but I got the cover from Amazon. Okay, this is it. And I got my duvet from Crazy Bean. The reason why I'm mentioning these stores is like so that you guys will know I talk about them, so you guys don't think that I don't buy stuff from them. I got my duvet from Crazy Bean, but of course the duvet cover, there's a duvet cover on it which I got from Amazon. So let's get to my throws, okay, which I love. I got this throw from Amazon, this particular one. It's really nice, although like the colors that I was going for my bed did not come out well, you guys. It didn't come out like I wanted them to, right? So that didn't work so well. I tried to return, I returned, then the one I ordered was even worse. Like for this bed, for this throw pillow, I returned the first one I got, but I decided to go for this beige, but the beige was like a very light beige, but I just had to keep it because I was tired of doing returns. Okay, and this one too is a single, is an extra blanket layer that I got as a gift. Okay, and I think that is all that I have in this room. Side of the room is where I have my wardrobe. Okay, and that is just it. Personally, I love like simple space. Like I love my spaces just have my bed, my dresser, my wardrobe, or a TV set if there is room for that. Okay, and that is mostly all that I would love in my bedroom. And that's all about this video. So you guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I totally enjoyed few minutes because it's been a long time coming. I wanted to show you guys, and for the fact that I was working with a brand, it also like stretched out the whole process and everything. But I'm really happy at the result. Like looking at my room right now, I'm like, oh, this is where I want to be. This is where I want to be, honestly, because this room is so cute. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.